Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to record screen user account control prompt in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you try to type here CMD and when you go with run as administrator, this user account control won't be included in the recording. So meaning the screen will be blocked. Okay. So in order to enable that, in order to enable our Windows from recording our user account control, then we'll be performing a very basic step. Okay. So here at the button search bar again, you need to type for local security policy and proceed with the best match and go with open to continue. Once you have opened it, a new window would appear, which is your local security policy. Where here, you need to proceed on local policies. So under the local policies, click this forward arrow and look for security options. And once you have selected it, please proceed here at the center and scroll down and look for an option called user. Okay, let me just sort it. User account control, switch to the secure desktop when prompting for elevation. Again, look for the user account control, switch to secure desktop when prompting elevation. Now we need to disable such. So how we can do that? To a right click, go with properties and disable that. Once you have disabled that, click on apply to confirm and click on OK. Once done, close this window and try again to check if we have been successfully enabled the recording of user account control. So type here CMD, click on run as administrator. Now we have that. Okay. So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.